Our next topic is building a custom ChatGPT. Since the launch of ChatGPT, many people have asked for ways to tailor it to fit their specific needs. Let me introduce GPTs, custom versions of ChatGPT designed to act as specialized assistants for unique tasks. Rather than a one-size-fits-all chatbot, GPTs allow us to create versions of ChatGPT that are truly customized to our needs. The best part? No coding experience is required to build a GPT. You can set one up in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Provide instructions. Step 2. Add knowledge. Step 3. Define capabilities. Once we are satisfied with our custom GPT, we have 2 options for sharing it. We can either publish it in the GPT store so that others can benefit, or keep it private for personal or team use. So now, let me walk through an example of creating a custom ChatGPT specifically designed to help advise computer science undergraduate students at TCU. Let's click Explore GPTs. And here you can find different custom versions of ChatGPT created by other people. And they are grouped in different categories, like writing, productivity, research, education, lifestyle, programming, and so on. Think of this as OpenAI's App Store. Let's create our own. In this example, I want to create an academic advisor to help advise computer science undergraduate students. So here I'm going to write, make an academic advisor for undergraduate computer science students at TCU who provides support on course selection, degree planning, important program requirements, and so on. So first, it gives a name to this GPT. It's called TCU CS Advisor. Well, that's pretty good. Next, ChatGPT will create a profile picture for this GPT. Okay, that looks good. Next, I'm providing a document with detailed advising information, which should be referenced in your response. And let me select my personal advising cheat sheet. As you can see, it is updating the GPT. So what would you like to refine next? Let me upload more knowledge. I'm providing the computer science programs, four-year plans, and course prerequisite information, which should be referenced in your response. And let me select these 2 PDFs. I also recommend you add this instruction. If you don't know the answer, please direct the student to contact their academic advisor for assistance. Now I can share this GPT with my students, and they can ask questions to this GPT. For example, can I take linear algebra elsewhere and transfer it to TCU? Based on the academic advising Word document, we discourage students from taking linear algebra elsewhere. So let's see the result. Okay, as you can see here, we recommend students take both linear algebra and discrete math at TCU. This is because blah, blah, blah. This is very good. Okay, so let's ask a question about the 4-year plan. I am a junior CS student at TCU. What CS classes should I take in the fall semester? Okay, as you can see, it provides very good answer, consistent with our 4-year plan. Next, let me ask an even tricky question. What is the prerequisite of analysis of algorithms? It is partially correct. It is not considering the discrete math too. So let me ask it again. What is the math prerequisite of analysis of algorithms? Now it is completely wrong. I think this may be caused by the PDF I sent. It is a picture, so the lines between the boxes are kind of ambiguous and not clear to ChatGPT. Now this can be easily fixed if I convert everything in the prerequisite graph to text. So if ChatGPT is not giving the answer you like, you may check the content in the PDF you uploaded. Next, let's look at configure. And here are the configurations generated by ChatGPT. Here is the name, and here is the description. And by the way, you can change them if you want. And here are the detailed instructions of this ChatGPT. This GPT serves as an academic advisor for undergraduate computer science students at TCU. Here is a role. The advisor references details from the academic advising document for your plan and prerequisite information. The advisor helps students navigate course offerings and so on. And feel free to change this instruction so you can change the behavior of this GPT. And here we have conversation starters, and you can also add or remove starters. This part is the uploaded knowledge base. We have 3 documents. So here are the default capabilities of this GPT. This GPT can do web search and can create images. Here is where you can delete this GPT. So once you are done, you can click this create button to share your GPT. And here you have 3 options: keep it private, anyone with the link, or share it in the GPT store. So let me click save. And let's click view GPT. Okay, so this is a custom ChatGPT for advising students. But remember, there is a small bug in the prerequisite information. And I'm sure that can be easily solved by replacing the pictures with text. And by the way, you can access your GPT on the left side of this dashboard. So go ahead and create your own GPT and let me know what GPT you created. by leaving a comment below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really helps more students and researchers find this content. And if you want to keep learning about AI, ChatGPT, and how these tools can support your work, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video in this series. Thanks for watching.